sa'yo. Ang ating pangako at pag-ibig ko'y dahil sa'yo. Kahit ang sa'yo. Ang ating pangako at pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit pag-ibig naman
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, our host for tonight is Angel Ayala.
Actually guys, this is a friendly reminder to all of you. I'm not pure Filipino, that's why wala ko nag-belong na maaari kong kanta. Oh! This song is working guys. Hey! If you know this song, please shout out, okay? Para kung sa'yo, ikaw, kulay di na mamalpansin. Ang bumaking natin mong kama, nag-isip na isip. Dito na ang pagayon ng pasas sa tunga sa iyang likid. Sa tagay kinagayon mo, mas may talagsak na iyang kalamin. Live, ayaw ako o makakataw ka. Hindi siya rin mong bibig ka. Mas nakikinig ako hey! Kinamay mong bibig ka. Pag-iasay ako mulot-mulot. Ang lamit ko luhala kalutin ka. Dan ang tagisay mahulot. Sa naririyan yung paglaman. Pingo to isa ka na'y kamay. Pingo ka ang putos sana. Watagang naging ngayon mong sinama. Tayo ako o nakakataw ka. Tulog siya at pinong ka. Mas nakikinig ako. Hey! Thank you so much for the summer. This is from Moment of Growth. And I request our Board of Judges, Sir Alex, Sir Prince, and Sir Rio, who will be our first ever Big Jockey Challenge in our queen tonight. Sir, dito lang kung ulit, iba siya malaki, ang akong big. Halili sir, halili sir. Okay, our three handsome judges.
Three Kings.
Big Jockey Challenge 2026 third pleasure
Three Kings, sila Three Kings.
will receive 2,000 pesos.
Okay, si
Our
Emilio.
Big Jockey Challenge
Emilio kay third.
pleasure goes to
Before I have to announce the winner, thank you very much for the pleasure that you have extended to this affair. Huh? This is the very first time na naging kita o video challenge for me. Although atong mga album singers, though they're frustrated, but this is a challenge. So, but anyways, again, I have to reiterate that in every contest there's always a winner and a non-winner. Okay? So, balik.
our third pleasure.
Third
Our
loser.
third pleaser goes to
Emilio Alolor ni Pangi.
contestant number is one.
Number 5. Number 5.
Contestant number 17.
Mr. Rolando Elostruisimo.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, sir. Wow. Oh,
Ano pa? Oo.
nakapas siya.
Oo.
Wala ka rin Joke lang.
Maayo pa nga si Emilio
He will
Sinawi.
receive 2,000 pesos cash from
Awami na siya ditiwa sa
Mr.
iyang
Chris
kanta.
Valentino's kanan, Sir Sammy Pasilan. Eh, paano sila?
Pabor-pabor gid ka mo eh.
You will receive 2,000 pesos cash, flash and cash. Yes, sir, picture.
Pabor-pabor.
Congratulations. O, di ba? Hindi ko na matagal ng panahon, no? O, di ba?
Oh, pabor-pabor gayud.
Baka naman, sir. 20%. And our second pleasure, Videoke Challenge 2026, second pleasure goes to
Our second placer goes to contestant number 7,
Precious Ayala.
Precious Ayola.
She will receive 3,000 pesos.
Hoy, ayo sila. Ilapag nun. Kamyaot lang sila. Kamyaot sila niya ni kanta. Nang always. Pabor-pabor gid yapon ka mo.
So before na ko i-announce na po ang Grand Champion or the Grand Winner, again, you will like to tell our very own very outlet, very own tayo. Supporting your mayor,
Pabor-pabor ka mo yapon.
Honorable Mayor Itamar Espinosa, thank you so much, Mayor, for having this kind of event. Thank you so much. Videoke Challenge 2026 Grand Champion.
Pabor-pabor.
Goes to
Niuwa na lang kay wa na kauyon sang inyo pagpabor-pabor.
15, Miss Early Englobar. She will receive 5,000 pesos cash.
Saan ba yung nag-release sa akin? Nag-aarap sa inyo pa. Hey, congrats. Sure.
Pabor-pabor ka, Sir Alex. Why ayo ang imo pagkuan? Why ayo ang imo BJK challenge? Ayaw na pagpa-BJK kay pabor-pabor ka gyapon. Ay, pag singing contest na lang. Ayaw na pag-BJK challenge.
The winners, please claim your consolation prize. Thank you so much.
Ay, why ayo?
Miss Angela Dana, collecting your
Pabor-pabor ka.
Thank you.
Why ayo ang imo pagpa-BJK challenge? May pa, singing contest ka na lang. May pa, manganta na lang kamo. Kamo na lang ang kuan. May pa, manganta na lang kamo. Di mo pa daugon ang gato na tarong ang always? Ang sikat? Sabot na ang third. Tara. Wa na lang BJK challenge. Singing contest na lang. Hoy, may pa singing contest kaysa BJK challenge. Dili maayo. Oy, magpasalamat ka. Mayor Alex, Mayor Itamar Espanosa. Kaya salamat sa 2,000 pesos. Third.
Check, 1, 2.
Salamat. Okay na, tura ka na.